Hi people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi. I know it's been a while, it's been a long time, and I apologize for that. It's just been really crazy around here. But guess what? Today I have this short bob wig and I'm gonna show you how to install it. So it's gonna be a fun video. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe and like and drop comments. Thank you so much. Love you guys. I love you guys like so much. As you can see, my hair is braided right underneath just so it's flat. So there's a wig cap and then the hair itself. So now the first step while trying to install your wig is to make sure the ears align. So I have this shooting out here and then I have this shooting out here. I'm just gonna pull the hair a little bit forward, pull the wig cap back, and then the hair itself forward. So making sure that the hairline in the wig is aligned to my natural hairline. So that will be like here. So using pins, I'm just gonna secure it. And now it's time to cut. Starting from the middle. See, this is how I like to do it. It's easier. So the hairline, I start from the hairline. I start close to the hairline as as much as possible as I can. So I'm gonna be using some hair mousse. This is to separate the strands. This is just gonna separate the strands of the hair. Good. So now using the sharp end comb, I'm just gonna pick out some baby hair. So here's what it looks like after I'm done bringing out the baby hairs. And now using a tweezer, picking out each strand just like that, just to define it even more. And make it look natural. So it's gonna look natural. You clip it to the roots and pull, just do it across the front of the hair. So now using a razor blade, I'm just gonna cut off the baby hairs. Some people prefer to use scissors. I like to use razor blades because it makes the ends a little uneven, and it being uneven makes it even more natural because your natural hairline is not actually even. I'm just gonna do the other part. So the next step is to apply some edge gel. This is Got2b Glued. So a lot of people prefer to use the yellow one that is like glue. So I'm not very comfortable with that for my edges. So I use this here. Leave it up. And next I use the Blast Freeze spray from Got2b Glued as well. And I just spray it underneath. Let it sit. Now very carefully making sure it is aligned, I close it up hold it down for a little bit. You'll notice that I didn't apply no glues to the front. Yeah, so that is just a personal choice. If you feel like your wig is gonna come off, you better do that. So you can apply some glue right here, just a little bit, and then use the spray. I once had this experience where I went to a party and a kid yanked my wig right off. Like, he just pulled it. I was lucky I had my wig cap on, so that was safe, because some days I just braid my hair down and just put the wig on. So he yanked it off. So if you feel like something like that is gonna happen, so guys, just glue down the whole thing. So I'm very, very careful about using the Got2b glue, because sometimes it has effects on your edges. So that is done. Now it's time to style. So this hair can be styled in a variety of ways. That's why I love it. I'm just gonna take the band off and all the pins off, so you can see how it looks. See? So I could like just decide to like just take it all to the back if I want. You know, I could even braid it if I wanted. This is cute. I wanted to go with the center part, but this is like really cute. No, I'm tempted, but no. Or maybe I should just like bring out 2 pieces of hair and take it. No, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be doing the center part. Yep, I stick with the center part. Hair Mousse. When it comes to styling your lace wig, trust me, you need a lot of hair mousse, because it's gonna separate each strand and make it so easy to style and kind of just lay it. So you see, do you see how that is looking already? So after putting on the hair mousse, I like to put in some shine and jam conditioning gel, so just right in the middle, so it's gonna help me get my part straight there. And now I part. So if you're looking for how to get your center part, usually the bridge of your nose helps. So the bridge of your nose just go up, and here we have our part. So little, I could use a brush, but I like to comb it gently, just so that the strands, the individual strands, can come out. I'm gonna style the edges, so I use edge booster. So I'm gonna be using this to style my baby hairs, and you can use a baby hair brush if you have one, but I prefer to use the toothbrush. So whatever rocks your boat, you could use this end. You can see just some small comb, and there's like a hard piece of brush here, but I'm just gonna go with the toothbrush because I just like using toothbrush. Thing here, brush it forward and curve it into the lace, and just make it meet with the rest of the hair. That's it. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna comb out the hair on the lace, so they're all standing apart and looking. I'm just gonna wrap my edges up with this satin scarf for a couple of minutes, say 20 to 30 minutes, and then it's gonna be all laid. So guys, now that my hair is all laid down, I'm just gonna quickly straighten it out, just so that it doesn't freeze out and then the strands are together. and then I'll give it a bob. Just curve it out, and that's it. You can either use a powder eyeshadow or a powder concealer. Is it concealer? Yep. It's right in front. So this is going to make it look even more natural. So look, this is the color I'm going to be using. It's a natural brown. So just apply there, you see. You have to use a precise brush. Before I place the wig on my head, I already put in some foundation. So I put like a really light foundation to blend with the wig color. So you could do that as well, because usually the scalp comes white, so you want to like blend the lace to the color of the hair or to your skin color. Here's what it looks like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Do not forget to like, give me a thumbs up guys. Do not forget to subscribe and drop your comments. And the hair is all done. Bye bye guys, and watch out for my next video.